What do you get when you cross an apple with a jalapeno? A jalapeno. So why not make a jalapeno old-fashioned? Let's do this. Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways. Recently, I did another traveler series from all the amazing suggestions that you guys gave me. Those drinks came out very different and all great in their own ways. If you have not seen that series, I will leave a link to it right here. In that journey, I made a few simple syrups, and one being an apple flavor and the other one being a candied jalapeno. After making the drinks, my wife had the bright idea to mix both of them, and it was actually really good.
Anyone care to explain?
It was because of her idea I decided to make an old-fashioned out of it. When trying to come up with a name, I struggled a little bit. My wife tried a few things with the combination of the words with jalapeno and apples and had a few ideas, but then she gave me the idea for JalAPPLEno. She thinks it's stupid, but I like it, so unless we come up with something better, I'm sticking with it. Cocktail quiz time! What do jalapenos and apples have in common? I was actually very surprised. I will repost the recipe for both the apple and the candied jalapeno simple syrup in the description below. If you like these videos, please click on that like button. Also make sure to hit that subscribe and notification bell. I'm getting closer and closer to 2,222 subs, and when I do, there'll be this crazy giveaway. Believe me, you won't want to miss it. I've already collected almost 22 bottles to give away that night.
No way.
Let's get into making the JalAPPLEno Old-Fashioned. JalAPPLEno Old-Fashioned ingredients: 2 ounces of rye whiskey, 1/4 ounce of candied jalapeno simple syrup, 1/4 ounce of spicy apple simple syrup, and a spicy bitters, and on this one we're using the Hellfire Habanero. It is time to make the JalAPPLEno Old-Fashioned. We're going to start off with a 1/4 ounce of candied jalapeno simple syrup. As I said, I will leave a recipe for this below. I'm only doing a 1/4 ounce of each so that we don't make this drink too sweet, and it's already, you can see it's a nice thick syrup. Look how thick that is. Next, we're going to be adding a 1/4 ounce of this apple spice. This one was also made very thick by my wife because she wanted to get a lot of that apple flavor in there. So this is another very thick one. Add that in here. This is going to be fun because it's going to take a while to get all that out of there, but that's okay. Next, we're adding 2 dashes of this Hellfire Habanero bitters. Let's add a little bit more spice to this.
It's spicy!
The jalapenos actually give it a good spice, but this will just add a little bit more. Followed by 2 full ounces of this rye. I'm using the Wild Turkey barrel proof rye. It's a rye that was easy for me to get on my shelf here. So I think it's just a good, nice, solid rye to try. We need to add some ice to this. And let's stir this bad boy. We need a glass. Add a nice, large, clear ice.
All clear!
And we're gonna strain this bad boy in there. Now, I did think about garnishing it with like an apple or a jalapeno, but I didn't have it in-house and I just wanted to make this drink and try it already. So here we go. Cocktail quiz time. What do jalapenos and apples have in common? Both jalapenos and apples are high in dietary fiber. I thought that was interesting. So here you have it, the JalAPPLEno Old-Fashioned. Time to go in for a taste. Wow, even adding such a little bit of the simple syrup, it is so thick and so much flavor that apple comes out in front. Slowly the spice starts kicking in, and right now I have a little bit of a burn in the back of my throat from that jalapeno, and you get that nice rye whiskey just kind of throughout the whole mouth. I think actually using a little bit of a higher proof rye whiskey was a good choice for this one. I'm going for my second drink. I'm really liking that first one. Who would have guessed that a jalapeno and apple go so well together? The JalAPPLEno. Wow. Wife, good idea. Appreciate it. Looking at these simple syrups, lots of flavor with each one. So much you can do with it. I want to know, what are your ideas? How would you use these simple syrups? Together, separate? No, I want to hear what ideas you can come up with. Maybe we'll make one of those drinks using these. Let me know in the comments below your ideas. Also, if you have not yet clicked on that like button, make sure you do that right now and hit that subscription. Amazing giveaways will be coming soon.
Holy giveaways, Batman.
Thank you for joining me on another journey down my old-fashioned rabbit hole, the JalAPPLEno Old-Fashioned. Who would have guessed this would work together? I guess my wife did, huh? To our next journey, my friends, cheers.